Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you know how important it is to secure your assets. Today, we're breaking down how to withdraw Dogecoin from Revolut to your Ledger Nano X. This step-by-step guide will help you move your Doge safely and efficiently, especially with the latest updates in blockchain tech. Why do this? Well, keeping your crypto on a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X adds an extra layer of security against hacks and online threats. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a Revolut account with Dogecoin in it, and your Ledger Nano X should be connected to your computer or via the Ledger Live app. Double check that your Ledger is updated to the 2025 firmware for seamless compatibility. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log in. Navigate to the Crypto section and select Dogecoin from your holdings. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It's usually right there on the main screen. Step 2. In the withdrawal menu, you'll need the receiving address from your Ledger. Plug in your Ledger Nano X, open the Ledger Live app, and go to the Dogecoin wallet. Click on Receive to generate a fresh address. Copy that address carefully, no typos allowed. Step 3. Back in Revolut, paste the Ledger address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer, but remember to leave room for network fees, which might be around 1 to 2 Doge depending on 2025 network congestion. Review everything twice to avoid mistakes. Step 4. Hit Confirm on Revolut and you'll get a confirmation prompt. Once approved, the transaction will process on the Dogecoin blockchain. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, so grab a coffee while you wait. A quick tip. Always use a new address for each transaction to enhance privacy and security. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, check your Ledger's connection or contact Revolut support. And remember, never share your seed phrase. There you have it, folks. You're now a pro at withdrawing Dogecoin to your Ledger Nano X. This keeps your investments safer in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Let's secure the future together. Thanks for watching.